Warning lights on the dashboard, along with explanations and what to do if they appear. Part 2. 1. Power steering warning light. What does it mean? This light indicates a problem with the power steering system. It could mean the power steering fluid is low, there's an issue with the electronic power steering (EPS) system, or a failure in the hydraulic system. What to do if you see this light? 1. Check the power steering fluid level if your car uses hydraulic power steering. If it's low, top it up with the recommended fluid. 2. Restart the car. Sometimes, an electronic glitch can cause the light to come on temporarily. 3. Drive cautiously. If the power steering fails, turning the wheel will be much harder, especially at low speeds. 4. Visit a mechanic. If the light stays on, have a professional inspect the power steering system to avoid further damage. 2. Glow plug warning light, diesel cars. What does it mean? This light indicates an issue with the glow plugs, which help start a diesel engine by preheating the cylinders. It typically appears when you turn the ignition on and should go off once the engine is ready to start. If it stays on or flashes, it could signal a problem with the glow plugs, fuel injection system, or engine management system. What to do if you see this light? 1. Wait before starting. If the light stays on briefly, allow the glow plugs to heat up before starting the engine. 2. Try restarting the car. A temporary sensor issue could cause the light to stay on. 3. Check for rough idling or power loss. These are signs of faulty glow plugs or injection issues. 4. Visit a mechanic. If the light stays on or flashes while driving, have the glow plugs and fuel system inspected to avoid starting difficulties or engine damage. 3. Lane departure warning light. What does it mean? This light indicates that the car's lane departure system has detected that your vehicle is unintentionally drifting out of its lane without using a turn signal. The system uses cameras to monitor lane markings and alerts the driver if a deviation is detected. What to do if you see this light? 1. Stay alert and check your lane position. Ensure you are staying within your lane. 2. Use your turn signals. The system may activate if you change lanes without signaling. 3. Check for poor visibility. Heavy rain, fog, or worn-out lane markings may cause false warnings. 4. Inspect the system. If the light remains on, there may be a fault with the sensors, and you should have it checked by a mechanic. 4. Adaptive Cruise Control, ACC, warning light. What does it mean? This light indicates a problem with the Adaptive Cruise Control, ACC, system. ACC uses sensors and radar to maintain a set speed while adjusting to the traffic ahead. If this warning appears, the system may be malfunctioning or temporarily disabled due to environmental conditions. What to do if you see this light? 1. Check for obstructions. Dirt, snow, or debris may be blocking the radar sensor or camera. 2. Restart the system. Turn off and restart the cruise control to see if the light disappears. 3. Check road conditions. Heavy rain, fog, or direct sunlight can affect sensor performance. 4. Visit a mechanic. If the light stays on, have the system diagnosed for faults. 5. Parking brake warning light. What does it mean? This light indicates that the parking brake, handbrake, is engaged. If the light stays on even after releasing the brake, it may signal a problem with the braking system, low brake fluid, or a faulty sensor. What to do if you see this light? 1. Ensure the parking brake is fully released. Press the brake pedal and disengage the parking brake completely. 2. Check brake fluid levels. Low fluid can trigger this warning. Top it up if necessary. 3. Inspect for brake system issues. If the light remains on, it may indicate worn brake pads or a sensor problem. 4. Visit a mechanic. A persistent warning could point to a serious braking issue requiring professional attention. 6. Washer fluid warning light. What does it mean? This light indicates that the windshield washer fluid level is low. It's a reminder to refill the washer fluid reservoir to ensure clear visibility while driving. What to do if you see this light? 1. Refill the washer fluid reservoir. Use a suitable windshield washer fluid rather than plain water, especially in cold climates. 2. Check for leaks. If the fluid runs out quickly, there may be a leak in the system. 3. Test the washer spray. If the fluid is full but not spraying, the nozzles may be clogged. 7. Seat belt warning light. What does it mean? This light indicates that the driver or a passenger has not fastened their seat belt. It is usually accompanied by a beeping sound as a reminder to buckle up. What to do if you see this light? 1. Fasten your seat belt. Ensure all occupants have their seat belts securely fastened. 2. Check for obstructions. If the light stays on even when buckled, check if the seat belt is twisted or if an object is stuck in the buckle. 3. Verify passenger seats. Some cars have sensors that detect weight in the front or rear seats. If something heavy is on the seat, the car might think a passenger is present and trigger the warning. 8. Rear fog light indicator. What does it mean? This light shows that the rear fog lights are switched on. Rear fog lights help improve visibility in dense fog, heavy rain, or snow by making your vehicle more noticeable to drivers behind you. What to do if you see this light? 1. Use only in poor visibility conditions. Turn it on when visibility drops below 100 meters, 328 feet. 2. Turn it off when not needed. Leaving it on in clear conditions can dazzle other drivers and is illegal in some places. 3. Check the switch. If the indicator stays on unexpectedly, ensure the fog light switch is off. 9. Service required light. What does it mean? This light indicates that your vehicle is due for routine maintenance, such as an oil change, tire rotation, or other scheduled service. It is a reminder set by the manufacturer based on mileage or time since the last service. What to do if you see this light? 1. Check your owner's manual. It will specify what service is needed. 2. Schedule a service appointment. Visit a mechanic or dealership to perform the necessary maintenance. 3. Reset the light if necessary. After servicing, some cars require manually resetting the indicator. 10. Door ajar warning light. What does it mean? This light indicates that one or more doors are not fully closed. It serves as a safety warning to prevent doors from opening while driving. What to do if you see this light? 1. Check all doors. Open and close each door firmly to ensure they are properly latched. 2. Inspect the trunk and hood. Some vehicles include these in the system, so ensure they are securely closed. 3. Check for obstructions. Items like seat belts, bags, or debris can prevent doors from closing completely. 4. If the light stays on, there may be a faulty door sensor or latch that needs to be checked by a mechanic.